We're here at the Hilton La Romana resort in the Dominican Republic. Yes, the Dominican Republic. 2019, we came. So far, so good. Airport was a breeze. We flew into Santo Domingo. Customs, a breeze. We had a private transfer. The man was sitting there waiting on us. It took a little over an hour to get here. He showed us some pretty neat things on the way as well, some rivers. And yeah, we hadn't been attacked yet. Actually, all the people are super nice. They're all wanting to help you. And as you can see, it's beautiful here. We've been diving for 2 days. We're going diving again tomorrow. We're going to Siona Island. It's going to be a whole day trip. 2 dives in the morning, lunch on the island. And then we're going snorkeling someplace, natural reserve or something. I'm not quite sure. I'll find out tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get some good video. I do think I have some good video coming from the diving. We'll just have to see. Weather's spectacular here. It's not humid. It's low 70s in the morning, mid to high 80s in the afternoon. Yeah, it's awesome. This is the town of Bayahibe. They say it's one of the safest places here, so maybe that's why we hadn't been attacked. All the alcohol's been good, even though everybody that knows me knows I don't really drink. The mini fridge, it's been great. It's full of water for me. And they actually have Coca-Cola in bottles. We don't see that too much in the States anymore. It's a big difference. It tastes so much better. Anyway, look for our diving videos. They're coming.